How does contract testing simplify API integration testing? Have you ever wondered how to make API integration testing smoother and more effective? Today, we will discuss how contract testing can simplify this process. Contract testing is all about ensuring that different services in your application communicate correctly. Instead of testing everything together, it focuses on a specific agreement between services, known as a contract. This contract outlines how services should interact, including details like data formats, endpoints, and expected behaviors. The service that provides data, known as the provider, must meet the expectations of the service that consumes it, called the consumer. By validating these interactions early in development, contract testing helps catch issues before they become serious problems. One of the main advantages of contract testing is the early detection of integration issues. By checking interactions against the contract during development, teams can identify any incompatibilities before the services are deployed together. This proactive approach reduces the number of last-minute bugs and the frantic troubleshooting that often happens during integration. Another benefit is the speed and isolation of contract tests. These tests are lightweight and focus solely on the contract rather than the entire system. This makes them quicker to run and easier to maintain, fitting seamlessly into continuous integration pipelines. Contract testing also allows for decoupled development. Since the contract serves as a shared agreement, different teams can work on the front end and back end simultaneously without waiting for each other. This parallel work reduces delays and speeds up the overall development cycle. Additionally, contract testing lowers testing overhead. It does not require full end-to-end environments, which means reduced infrastructure and maintenance costs for testing setups. This is especially beneficial for teams working with multiple services. As systems grow and involve many microservices, contract testing scales smoothly. It verifies individual service interactions, making it easier to maintain and evolve services independently without breaking integrations. Moreover, well-defined and tested contracts boost confidence and stability within teams. Knowing that contract violations will be caught early encourages teams to make changes without fear of introducing new bugs. To implement contract testing effectively, teams should define API contracts using standards like OpenAI or JSON schema. Automating contract tests in development pipelines is also essential. This ensures that both providers and consumers continuously adhere to these contracts. In summary, contract testing streamlines API integration testing by making it more focused, faster, and reliable. This directly supports effective debugging and bug prevention in software development. By shifting the focus from reactive bug fixing to proactive prevention, contract testing creates a smoother path for developers to follow.